Ever wondered why some people seem to move effortlessly while others are plagued by joint pain and stiffness? Imagine if there was a simple secret to keeping your joints flexible and pain-free without relying on medication. In this video, we're uncovering the secret strategies that could transform your joint health and bring relief from discomfort. You will find out how these simple lifestyle changes and home remedies can make a huge difference in your joint function and overall well-being. Don't let joint pain control your life. Discover the key to feeling better and moving freely once again. As we age, our joints often become stiffer and less flexible due to changes in cartilage and synovial fluid. Cartilage, which cushions bones, gradually wears down, while synovial fluid thickens, reducing lubrication and cushioning. These changes lead to decreased mobility and increased discomfort. Interestingly, joint stiffness pain doesn't come from the cartilage itself, but from the bones, which have nerve endings and receptors. Inflammation in the joint can irritate these nerves, causing pain and discomfort. Moreover, understanding these mechanisms can help in identifying effective ways to manage and alleviate joint pain. What causes joint pain? Joint pain can stem from several factors such as vitamin deficiencies, gout, and wear and tear. However, for most people, the primary cause is joint degeneration. Pain experienced during movement often points to arthritis, while pain at rest is typically associated with inflammation. If you wake up with joint stiffness that improves with activity, it's commonly linked to inflammation. For immediate pain relief, people often use strong medications. However, a more effective long-term approach addresses the root causes of pain, such as relieving compressed joints, doing anti-inflammatory exercises, and adding anti-inflammatory foods to your diet. How to relieve joint pain. Joint problems can stem from aging, injuries, lack of movement, and excess weight. To manage these issues, consider losing weight to reduce joint pressure. For hand pain, avoid lifting heavy objects. For knee or hip pain, avoid sudden movements and wear cushioned shoes. Use support when getting up to minimize stress on your joints. Swimming is also a great low-impact exercise that keeps you active without straining your joints. Avoiding activity can worsen joint conditions. Regular movement stimulates synovial fluid production, crucial for joint function, and strengthens the muscles around the joints, reducing pressure and improving mobility. Moderate exercise, including many home-friendly options, is beneficial for joint health. Osteoarthritis versus arthritis. Arthritis refers to joint inflammation that causes pain even at rest. Osteoarthritis, on the other hand, involves the wear and tear of cartilage, with pain usually arising after physical activity. Each condition needs a different treatment approach. However, joints can signal problems before they become serious. Here are some symptoms to watch for. Morning stiffness, where your joints feel rigid and hard to move, but improve as you start moving, may indicate changes in cartilage and bone tissue. A burning sensation in a joint, especially if it's red and hot, may indicate inflammation. If the burning occurs without redness or heat, it could be a sign of osteoarthritis. Restricted movement, such as trouble bending your knee, holding a key, or lifting your leg onto a step, can be warning signs of joint problems. Creaky joints may suggest a lack of joint fluid, causing surfaces to rub and wear down cartilage. However, such sounds can also be normal, resulting from pressure changes and gas bubbles in the joint fluid. If there's no pain and the joint moves well, it is usually not a concern. Weather sensitivity can cause increased joint pain or discomfort before rain, especially in cold temperatures. While the exact cause isn't fully understood, reduced blood flow to extremities in winter and thicker joint fluid may contribute to joint discomfort. Keeping your joints warm can help alleviate this issue. Always consult an expert for advice if you experience any of these symptoms. Beneficial foods for joints. Eating the right foods can greatly benefit your joints. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and cod are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and strengthen joints. Omega-3s also help maintain cartilage flexibility, allowing for smoother movement. Besides omega-3s from fish, include walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds in your diet for essential fatty acids that support joint health. Also, eat antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries, pomegranates, red bell peppers, broccoli, and beans to further boost joint well-being. Protein is essential for joint repair as it builds and supports the body. Include protein sources like meat, fish, eggs, and plant-based options such as beans and peas in your diet. Also, eat collagen-rich foods like aspic, jellied meat, bone broths, beef, fish, and seafood. Collagen helps cushion impacts and reduce friction, and eating these foods can support joint health, especially as collagen levels decrease with age. To fight joint inflammation, incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, such as turmeric, ginger, garlic, and onions. These foods possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help manage inflammation when consumed regularly. Although cartilage regeneration slows with age, it doesn't stop completely. You can help prevent cartilage breakdown and support recovery with gelatin. This natural protein strengthens cartilage and connective tissues. Each evening, mix 2 teaspoons of gelatin with 1/3 cup of cold water. In the morning, add warm water to fill the glass and drink it on an empty stomach. Repeat daily for a month, then take a month off before starting again. Gelatin is a cost-effective way to provide collagen for your joints and is available at any grocery store. Home remedies for joint pain. For pain and inflammation relief, try a homemade compress with aloe vera and honey. Mix 1/4 cup of aloe juice, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of warm water. Warm it slightly, apply it to the affected joint, cover with plastic wrap, and leave it on overnight. Another remedy for joint pain is pepper oil. Capsaicin in red peppers provides warmth, blocks pain signals, and boosts circulation. To make it, grind 10 fresh red peppers and mix them with 2 cups of vegetable oil. Let it sit in a warm place for a week, then strain it. Use the oil to massage painful joints during flare-ups. Avoid this remedy if you have a fever. Honey and apple cider vinegar can support joint health. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory acetic acid, and honey provides minerals like calcium and magnesium. Mix 1/4 cup of honey with 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and take 1 teaspoon of this mixture in the morning and evening to promote joint health. Warm baths with sea salt can ease joint pain by relaxing muscles and reducing tension. Sea salt's anti-inflammatory properties and minerals help reduce joint inflammation when dissolved in water. Effective tips for managing osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis happens when the cartilage in your joints breaks down, making it dry and brittle. This can eventually lead to bone damage. Key factors include diet, weight, and genetics. A common issue is muscle tension around the joint, which can create pressure and pain. For example, tight muscles in the buttocks can cause knee pain. Stretching and releasing these tight spots can help relieve joint pressure. Traditional medications can't cure osteoarthritis, but improving muscle health can make a difference. To keep your joints healthy, stay active without overloading them, balance exercise with rest, and follow a healthy diet. Even in your 60s, you can enjoy better flexibility and less pain than you did in your 30s. The main steps are to remove muscle blockages, eat well, and stay hydrated. While age and weight are often blamed for joint problems, the quality of connective tissue is usually the real issue. Eastern medicine also emphasizes the importance of keeping your spine flexible for overall health. Remember, taking care of your joints is essential for maintaining an active and pain-free lifestyle. Have you tried any of these remedies or strategies for joint health? What natural remedies or exercises have worked for you? Share your experiences or any additional tips you might have in the comments below. Your feedback could help others who are facing similar challenges. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy and improving your well-being. We've got plenty more videos on health topics that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.